Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the shot and matching composition settings to the source. This prevents drift later. Once done, open the tracker panel and choose Track Motion so you can place a feature point directly on high-contrast pixels. Edges work best. Make sure tracking options use the full resolution preview for accuracy. You'll set both the feature and search region sizes now, because too small a search box fails on quick motion, and too large slows tracking and invites errors. Next, refine the track by adjusting the feature and search regions. Larger search areas help with fast movement, while a second point captures rotation and scale. Then hit Analyze Forward, and after that Analyze Backward to confirm consistency across the clip. If the tracker slips, stop and correct the offending frame manually, then continue. Don't let bad frames propagate. Once tracking finishes, inspect keyframes and apply minor smoothing or spatial interpolation to remove small jitters before you apply the data to a null or layer. Now choose the track target, usually a null object, so you can reuse the data non-destructively. Make sure to edit target, then apply X and Y to bake motion into the chosen layer. Once applied, parent graphics or adjustments to the null. This preserves smooth motion and allows separate rotation or scale tweaks. If your track fails on occlusion or blur, try retracking with larger search regions, remove bad frames, or switch to Mocha for planar tracking. These fixes handle complex surface motion much more reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.